Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You must stop using the affected disk right now to prevent further data loss. Once powered off, connect the drive only to a controlled recovery environment or boot a Linux Live USB. Make an image copy to a second drive using bit-for-bit imaging tools so you preserve current state. This is the safest working copy. You'll work on the image, not the original. Make sure the spare drive has equal or larger capacity, and label devices to avoid accidental writes. Start by running ddrescue to create a resilient image that skips bad sectors and logs progress. This lets you resume if needed. Once the image is complete, calculate checksums so you can verify integrity before modifying anything. Next, run targeted scans. Use TestDisk to recover partitions and file system metadata, and PhotoRec for file carving when metadata is gone. If the file system is intact but inconsistent, use safe read-only file system checks to map issues. Always work against the image to preserve the original. Now extract recovered files from the image to a fresh target drive, organizing recovered folders clearly so you can validate data quickly. You should verify critical files first: documents, databases, configuration files, and cryptographic keys, using native viewers or checksums. This confirms usefulness. Once satisfied, rebuild or restore systems from verified files. If recovery stalls or errors persist, stop and consult a professional data recovery service. Continuing risky operations can further degrade recoverable data, so avoid additional writes.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.